Hello, this is geometry. We are working on finding areas of quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral. Can someone tell me what a quadrilateral is?
Four sides.
Shape with four sides. Excellent. That's it. Now, quadrilateral. So it's got to be a closed shape with four sides. So it can't be open. All of them's got to connect. So for this one right here, a parallelogram. A parallelogram means the opposite sides are parallel. And when it's going to be the base, which is here, it's also going to be the same up here. The height has to go straight up and down, kind of like the triangle that we did the other day. So it's base times height. That's it. So, for example 1, my area. What is the base?
15.
Times my height, which is?
8.
So 15 times 8, my area comes out to be 120. What are my units? Feet squared, because area is always square.
Oh, what is it?
120. 15 times 8 is 120. Now, a trapezoid, there's actually a couple different types of trapezoids. It's possible for this. Let me cover up part of this so you guys can see. Alright, so this right here would also be a trapezoid. If this goes straight up and down on this side, and I still have this slant over here on this side. This right here by itself would still be a trapezoid. So the height, again, has to be straight up and down. And my B1 and B2 are my sides that are parallel to each other. So the sides parallel to each other are B1 and B2. I add those two together. Okay, add those two together and multiply by half, then times the height. Now, let's take a look. For this one right here, for example 2, my area, I'm going to write A equals. So what is B1?
12.
Okay, 12 plus what's B2?
8.
Times what's my height?
16.
And all that's going to be over?
2.
So let me see, that's 20
4.
times 16. So what do we get? 160?
Yeah.
160. What are my units here?
Inches squared.
Inches squared. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Questions?
No.
We good, right?
What is that? 160?
Yep. Let's take a look at the rhombuses. Rhombuses refer to my are kind of like a diamond or a kite, but the rhombuses have all sides are the same over here. So it's D1, D2, okay, so D1, D2 divided by 2. Diagonals only, okay? It is also, it's possible to use the same information as a parallelogram. I can do the same thing as a parallelogram. So if I have the base and I have the height straight up and down, I could use that also. But if I'm given rhombuses and they connect over here like this, it's this diagonal times that diagonal. So in this case right here, this is going to be 11 times 30. So my area is equal to 11 times 30. So my area, 11 times 30, what's that going to be? 330?
Yes.
What are my units?
Inches.
Wait, so you just like, you don't divide it by 2?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Oh.
So I have this times this, right? And then divided by 2,
165.
divided by 2. So my area is what?
165.
165 inches square. Alright? So on this one, I did it earlier. This one I did this right here and then divided. So same thing. A kite. Alright, same thing. Same as rhombus. But this one I cannot use base and height. because these two are not parallel to each other. In a rhombus, these two are parallel, so it does work, the base and height. So on this right here, this is my kite. So if this is the kite right here, it's going to be my area is 25 times, and all that should be divided by 2, right? So I should come up with 250.
Yes.
Area is 250. What are my units? Inches
Squared.
squared. Here's page 26. So, page 26. Any of these actually look difficult for you? Let's look. Nope. Looks like everything is stuff that we've already done, right? Exactly the same as all those things that we've already done. So, guess what? Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and do your work.
That's it.